Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Mobile data is active, and your plan allows tethering. Next, open settings and go straight to network or data usage to view background data controls. Once there, identify any apps or system services that show restricted background access. These often block hotspot negotiation. You do this because tethering requires certain background processes to run, and restricting them prevents the phone from routing other devices' traffic. Now proceed to selectively lift restrictions for tethering-related services. Once done, either disable the Global Restrict Background Data toggle or add exceptions for the hotspot and networking apps so the phone can exchange control packets. Make sure mobile hotspot, tethering, and the system UI or carrier services have permission to use background data. After changing permissions, restart the hotspot service. If it still fails, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios. You do this because network services often cache states, and a quick reset forces them to renegotiate connectivity with the new To finish, test the hotspot with a single device and verify internet access. Check that DNS and routing are functioning. If problems persist, reset network settings or install carrier settings updates to clear lingering policy blocks. Also make sure battery saver and data saver are off because they can silently restrict tethering. If nothing works, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is allowed on your plan. Meanwhile, a factory network reset is a last resort. Use it only after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.